With today's economy, people need a way to make more money, better money, and still have time for family. A home-based income is the best way to do that. But there are 5 things you need to look at when judging the worth of any business: the company, its products, the compensation plan, timing, and the training and support provided. We're partnered with the recently launched Travani International. This company offers something more compelling than any other business in the market. It's so unique, we hold the patent on it. But first, let's look at the company. The owners of Travani have already built a company in this industry to over $1 billion in sales. You can count on your fingers the number of companies in history who have been able to reach this milestone. Out of the profits from the sale, the Travani owners decided to give away $100 million and create their own charitable foundation. Travani is backed by that foundation and another $300 million in capital. This extremely rare combination minimizes any risk. They have it all: unlimited financing along with the knowledge and track record to succeed. Second is the products. Billion-dollar companies are built by offering and understanding good products. Travani's huge funding capability and proven track record ensures we'll have a continuously growing line of the best products at the best prices. This is not about buying more products. With our business model, it's about simply transferring your spending to Travani's Do No Harm products instead of the ones you're currently buying in stores. You'll own the distribution rights to all of these products. Every time someone shampoos their hair or takes one of Travani's amazing nutritional supplements, you make money. Multiply that by many thousands of people. Owning the distribution rights provides a residual income that goes on and on for generations, regardless of your day-to-day actions. When income is no longer directly tied to daily activity, you're free. It's the best way to make money. Third is how you get paid: the compensation plan. The average company in the industry projects making 15% in profits. Amway pays out less than 30 cents on the dollar to their distributors, Herbalife 35%, and Nu Skin 38%. Travani pays out a whopping 63%, plus a car bonus and 1-week paid vacation package for those who qualify. How do they pay out so much? By keeping only 1 to 2% for a contingency fund. The rest goes to charity and the distributors. This means you can make more money than distributors have made with any other company in history. Travani's philosophy is, if their distributors make more money, they can give more to charity. Now that's a win-win concept. By simply using Travani's Do No Harm products and sharing its mission, you'll be paid commissions. How much depends completely on you. The residual income with this opportunity is limitless. Fourth, and extremely important, is timing. The S-curve of business development shows how companies grow. All companies in any industry go through these 4 stages of growth in order to be successful. First is formulation. It's the founding stage of a company. Then concentration. This is where products are refined and employees and financing are added. Next, they hit momentum. Here the product and concept become popular while sales begin to grow. And finally, stability. The consumption base is built and growth slows to a constant level. So when's the best time to get involved with a company? The formulation stage. It's where everyone that makes tremendous wealth gets involved in any business. Travani is just coming out of its formulation stage, so the timing couldn't possibly be better. Fifth is training and support. This is where our group shines. We work one-on-one with you, teaching you a simple system to attract and identify 6 business builders who in turn duplicate exactly what you teach. With personally designed websites, masterminding sessions, online training, business planning, and low-cost proven systems of lead generation, we provide you with all the training and support you will need to be successful. Now, what makes this company so compelling? What sets Travani apart from any other company in the world? Purpose. Everyone becomes a child guardian by committing to a monthly auto ship of Travani products. About 10% of all the products your family uses will provide life-changing support for your sponsored child. You get a photo of that child with a biography, including their background and information on their village. The Travani Foundation has already assisted in building 2 hospitals and 15 schools in Africa, India, Nepal, South America, and the Philippines. They've sponsored more than 1,100 free surgeries. With microfinancing and child sponsorship, the foundation is responsible for generational change in over 6 different countries. The plan is to sponsor 1 million children within 60 months. This will alleviate 1/20th of the world's childhood starvation. We're building the largest humanitarian army in the world by simply consuming better, safer products. Tying the consumption of products to the sponsoring of a child is so unique that Travani has the patent for it. Our distributors are motivated to create a better world. This means our job will be easier than ever, and our success will be greater than any other company in history. Travani is not a clever company using the sponsorship of a child or charity as a ploy to make money. This is a charitable foundation using direct sales to fund their humanitarian projects. Travani is turning business into benevolence and is saving lives all over the world, one child at a time. You have a rare opportunity with Travani. This is your chance at a new, low-cost business with a huge potential for growth, amazing support, and a chance to positively impact the world.